See you again this time. Never again. It's 5 o'clock in the morning and I can't believe I'm saying this, but I actually hope this kills him. I haven't slept all night. I'll probably take it back in the morning. Here we go. Oh God, it's not working. Hang on, it's gone freezing cold. Right, here we go. I'm going to get it right in his ear. Craig! Wakey! What?
What are you doing?
Air horning you because you've been snoring all night.
What are you doing that for?
This has got you out of bed quickly.
Mate, seriously,
I've been
what's
shouting
that?
your name for ages.
Why are you doing that to me for?
So I'm giving you some horn back.
I don't... Mate, I've told you I don't snore. Don't start this again, head. What are you waking me up for?
Right, go on, go back to sleep then. This is what happens when you get back to sleep. That's what you get.
What are you doing that for?